Hickeys, commonly known as love bites or kiss marks, is a type of bruise which usually forms by sucking or biting, especially when you are making love with your partner. Though it is not a health issue to worry about, people get a feeling of embarrassment if it is visible. If left untreated, it remains for a week or longer. Though they can be overpowered with makeup and clothing, home remedies are the best ways to get rid of them within a few days. 1. Rubbing alcohol. The cooling and soothing properties of alcohol makes it easy to quickly heal the hickeys. Alcohol is also considered as a great disinfectant, so it repairs the broken capillaries, and is safe for skin. For this, pour a few drops of rubbing alcohol on a sterile cotton ball. Gently dab it over your love bites. Let it dry naturally. Apply 2 to 3 times a day for better results. Note, alcohol can cause your skin to dry out, so after rubbing it over your skin, use moisturizer to keep it hydrated. 2. Ice massage. Application of ice on hickey will shrink the blood vessels and reduce the swelling, making it faster to heal. For this, take some ice and wrap it in a towel. Gently press the affected area using the towel wrap. Repeat 3 to 4 times in a day to see rapid results. Note, do not apply ice directly on your skin. This can worsen the case. 3. Banana peels. Banana peels have the best cooling properties which are best for hickeys. It helps regulate the clogged blood capillaries and gives your skin a cool, nourishing effect. For this, take a ripe banana and separate its peel. Now place the inside of the peel over the affected area for some 10 to 15 minutes. Apply this remedy 2 to 3 times a day for faster recovery. So, do not fear making love for hickeys if you already know these remedies.